Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the COMSYNC Red Light Therapy boots. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get this open, first thing we'll find is kind of a little Velcro adapter here. User manual, support documents. Over here looks like our charging cable connection. This will plug right into the boot, into the wall, and of course you'll have on off times and PVM. Now I think it kind of walks you through kind of the variable switches here, and then this is going to be your boots. Now, I believe I was told that this can be used in multiple scenarios outside of just boots. So I'm just going to show it set up as boots. Note that there's some kind of plasticky material here, all with the kind of Velcro. I don't know if that's to kind of wrap yet. I have not looked at the instructions, but just kind of tell you we have that. And then this kind of unravels. And again, that's going to be where the red lights are. So let me put this together. There's the connection for the boots. But it looks like it should be relatively easy to figure out, so follow your instructions and we'll take it from there.
So what you're going to do is actually just use this little piece here, and it's a waterproof layer that you're just going to kind of put right over the main red lights. And then as you can see, the boots are kind of there, so you're literally just going to set this up so it zippers around, and that's going to be the sides. So I'm just going to zipper this up, and it's literally going to just follow this path on each side until it becomes like a boot.
All right, so I don't know if you can see this well or not, but I'm trying my best here to kind of show you. Legs are in. Obviously the red lights are on. I'll turn the lights off. You just hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on and off. And then again, you can adjust your levels of intensity from 1 to 5. I don't know if you're seeing a light change or not here. I'm going to open this up a little bit. So hopefully you can see we're at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the lowest intensity. I hope it's visible. And of course you can set your timers, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60, 90, adjustable on all those levels. So again, it's just good for recovery work. If you're doing a lot, your legs are banged up or anything, ankles, depending on what your situation is. And then again, you can just leave it kind of zipped up and just kind of unzip yourself a little bit and then go to the, step out and then step back in and zip yourself back up. Easy to move around. So definitely worth buying if you do have any kind of leg issues. It is breathable. There's leg holes, as you can kind of see, air holes. So you don't necessarily need the, the waterproof action, but it's certainly a nice to have. And to me, definitely something to consider. So hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.